Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to use Zeely'S targeting features to maximize the reach of your ads and connect with the right audience. Targeting is one of the most crucial aspects of any advertising campaign because reaching the right people at the right time can significantly improve your results. To get started, open Zeely's and navigate to the ad creation section. Once you've selected a template and customized your ad, you'll see the option to choose your audience. Zeely's offers a variety of targeting features that help ensure your ad reaches the people most likely to engage with it. First, you can specify demographic details such as age, gender, and location. If your product or service is location-specific, this feature is especially useful. For example, if you're promoting a local coffee shop or a service that's only available in certain areas, targeting based on geography ensures your ad is seen by people within your service area. Zeely's also allows you to set a radius around your chosen location, so you can pinpoint your audience even more precisely. Next, Zeely's lets you target based on interests and behaviors. For example, if you're running an ad for fitness products, you can target people who have shown interest in fitness, health, or wellness. This ensures that your ad isn't just being shown to everyone, but specifically to individuals who are more likely to need or want your product. You can refine these interests by selecting from a list of predefined categories, or by entering your own custom interests. Zeely's also integrates with major platforms like Facebook and Instagram, so you can import your audience data directly from these platforms. This means you can leverage any existing customer information or social media followers to further refine your target audience. Another useful feature is the ability to test different audience groups. With Zeely's, you can create multiple versions of the same ad and test them with different audience segments. This allows you to see which audience responds best, and you can optimize your campaigns based on real data. Finally, Zeely's provides the option to target users based on device type. If you know your target audience is more likely to view ads on mobile devices, for example, you can adjust your ad size and format to better fit mobile screens, making sure it looks great wherever it's viewed. By using Zeely'S targeting features, you can ensure that your ads reach the people most likely to convert, whether you're narrowing down your audience based on location, interests, or behaviors. These tools allow you to focus your efforts on the right people and get better results for your ad campaign. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.